Your eye color isn't just about looks. It's actually a survival tool your ancestors used to conquer the planet. Over 70% of humans have brown eyes, but the other 30% carry genetic mutations that tell an incredible story about human migration, adaptation, and evolution. Let's explore what your eye color really means. Brown eyes. Brown eyes are the ultimate biological shield. That deep, rich color comes from melanin, a pigment so powerful it absorbs up to 90% of light entering your eye. Research from the University of Copenhagen confirms that melanin doesn't just give color, it functions as a natural sunscreen, built directly into your iris. For early humans crossing the African savanna under brutal UV radiation, this wasn't cosmetic, it was survival. Melanin absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation before it can damage DNA in your eye cells. Brown eyes don't just protect better, they perform better in bright light. Because melanin absorbs light rather than scattering it, brown-eyed people experience less glare sensitivity and maintain clearer vision in intense daylight. This is why brown eyes dominate in populations closer to the equator. They appear rich and uniform, rarely shift in tone, but catch them in candlelight or low sun, and you might notice golden or amber flashes as a scattered light plays across the outer iris layers. That's not a change in color, it's physics, revealing the layered structure of your eye. Blue eyes. Every single person with blue eyes on Earth descends from one ancestor who lived between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago. Research published in Human Genetics traced this back to a single genetic mutation in the HERK2 gene that literally switched off brown eye production. Before this mutation, everyone had brown eyes. Blue eyes aren't even really blue. There's no blue pigment in your iris. Instead, your eyes contain almost no melanin. And when light enters, shorter blue wavelengths scatter back out, while longer wavelengths pass through. It's the same scattering effect that makes the sky appear blue. This structural trick means your eye color can shift from icy bright to soft gray depending on lighting conditions.
Scientists still debate why blue eyes spread so quickly. One theory says they help in low light, by allowing more light into the eye. Another theory suggests they became attractive due to rarity, spreading through human preference. Gray eyes are very rare, found in less than 3% of people. They have even less melanin than blue eyes, creating a silver or steel-like appearance. They likely evolved for low light environments, but require more protection from sunlight. Green eyes exist in only 2% of people. They are formed by a balance of melanin and a yellow pigment called lipochrome. Their color can shift depending on lighting, making them appear mysterious and unique across cultures. Hazel eyes are highly dynamic. They can appear green, brown, or golden depending on light and surroundings. This adaptability reflects their balanced melanin levels, making them suitable for different environments and lighting conditions.
One might have more green with brown spots, another more brown with green rings. This variation has made hazel eyes seem mysterious and emotionally expressive throughout history. They bridge the spectrum between dark and light eyes with one of the most dynamic appearances in the human population. Amber eyes. Amber eyes are so rare, they're often mistaken for light brown or hazel, but they're distinctly different. Found in less than 5% of people, amber eyes contain high levels of lipochrome with very little melanin, resulting in a solid, golden, copper, or honey-colored iris that doesn't change with lighting. Unlike hazel, which shifts, amber stays richly golden under all conditions. This stable coloration is also common in predatory animals like wolves, owls, and eagles, which may explain why amber eyes can feel instinctively intense or commanding. Some researchers suggest humans subconsciously associate this color with alertness and confidence, traits that could offer subtle social advantages. From an evolutionary perspective, amber eyes likely evolved less for functional light adaptation and more as a visual signal. Their striking appearance may have been selected through mate preference rather than environmental necessity. Genetically, amber eyes are most often found in individuals of Southern European, Asian, or South American descent, though they can appear in any population given the right combination of genes controlling melanin and lipochrome production. Black eyes. True black eyes don't exist. What appears black is actually an extreme concentration of dark brown melanin, so dense that the iris looks completely black. This saturation makes them the most effective at absorbing light, offering maximum protection from UV radiation and glare. In equatorial regions where sun exposure is constant and intense, black eyes provide a clear advantage. Research confirms that darker eyes filter harsh light more effectively and stay visually stable in all conditions. Unlike lighter eyes that scatter or reflect light, black eyes absorb nearly everything, making them appear deep and flat. This absorption minimizes eye strain and may significantly lower the risk of UV-related conditions over a lifetime. Though often overlooked as a distinct category, black eyes are common in populations from Africa, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. Culturally, they've been linked to themes of mystery and strength, often perceived as powerful due to their depth and ability to mask emotional expression. The dense melanin makes it harder to see pupil dilation changes that occur with emotion, which some interpret as inscrutability. Next, heterochromia. Heterochromia is the condition where someone has two differently colored eyes or noticeable variations within a single iris. It affects less than 1% of the population, making it extremely rare. In most people, melanin distributes evenly across both irises during development. Heterochromia occurs when that symmetry is disrupted, usually due to minor genetic mutations, mosaicism, or localized changes during early development. Historically, heterochromatic eyes have been seen as signs of duality, supernatural connection, or divine favor in various cultures, perhaps because they break the visual symmetry we subconsciously expect in human faces. Your eye color carries the story of your ancestors, their migrations, their adaptations, and the environments they conquered. From the melanin-rich brown eyes that crossed ancient savannas to the blue-eyed mutation that spread through Ice Age Europe, each color represents a chapter in human evolution. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just seeing a color, you're seeing thousands of years of survival, adaptation, and the incredible genetic lottery that made you exactly who you are.